Let's start the another part of integrated circuit, that is the logic families. In this part, we will discuss about the transistor logic, means TTL circuit, as well as the CMOS logic circuit. So first we will discuss about transistor logic. It is used to perform many digital functions like NAND, NOT, AND, OR, and have achieved the most popularity because this IC is the fastest and the cheapest one. The basic circuit of TTL with totem pole output single stage is usually the NAND gate. And what is the number of NAND gate IC? 7400 or 5400. See? So TTL, first we check the circuit diagram here. See, this is the circuit diagram of a TTL circuit. In this, we are using multiple input, multiple emitter. Here, as you can see, here are the, just a second. Here are the multiple inputs here. So, how many emitters are here? 2 emitters. So, this is known as multi-emitter transistor. In this multi-emitter transistor, single transistor will be used to give many inputs, means 1, 2, 3 more, 4, and so on. One more term I talked about, totem pole connection. Totem pole connection is what? If we connect two transistors and in between if a diode is placed, then this is known as totem pole connection. This diode ensures that no current will flow from this to this side. Only current can flow from this to this side or this to this side only. No upward direction current will flow. No. This is the use of totem pole connection. That's why we use. So, a TTL uses a multimeter. Multimeter, in place of multimeter, you can write multi-emitter transistor. TTL uses a multi-emitter transistor at the input and is fast saturation logic circuit. The output transistor QT and Q4, as I talked, form a totem pole connection with that diode. So this extra output is known as totem pole stage because 3 output components Q3, Q4 and diode are stacked on one another. This arrangement will increase the speed of operation and also increase the output current capability. So the function of diode is what? To prevent both Q3 and Q4 being turned on simultaneously. So the function of diode is the main that Q3 and Q4 not being turned out simultaneously. Means this Q3, this is Q3 and this is Q4. So the role of the diode is what? That both the transistor not to on immediately, means simultaneously, I must say. This is the main function of this transistor. Here, now, if we look into the truth table of this circuit, then we will come to know that this circuit is behaving as a NAND gate. Let's check. See here, whenever we give 0, 0, then this transistor will not work. So current will flow from this to this side. This transistor will get on. Current will flow from this to this side. And this 5 volt will current flows from this and this. If this 5 volt supply give a current, then this transistor will get on. If this transistor gets on, then current flow from this to this. Okay. So output will be 1. So whenever we give 0 input, output will get on. If we give one input, then current will find a place to go from here to here. So no current will flow from here. If no current flows, then this transistor will not work. So connection will get removed. Now if connection get removed, then output will be passed from here to here. So in this way, we can check the working of all the inputs. Clear hai? Is it clear? So this is the way we used to define TTL. So this is the truth table. This is the working which I have told you. In this, I have defined each and every working. Means at what condition which transistor will get on, which transistor will get off, and so on. These are all the working. See, whenever the inputs are 1 and 1, both inputs are high, then emitter base junction of transistor Q1 become reverse bias, and Q1 will get off. However, collector base junction forward bias to supply the current to Q2 to become on. As a result, collector potential of Q2 will be 0 volts. This will be applied to Q3, so it will get turned off. At the same time, Q4 will be on, so its collector potential will be equals to 0. So in this way, we get the low output. So this is what? This is the working of TTL, and these are the few characteristics, that it is having less noise immunity, faster than DTL, but have less speed in comparison to ECL. It has fan in of 6 and fan out of 10. Propagation delay is 5 to 15 nanosecond. So this is what? This is the working of a which type of gate? TTL, transistor logic gate.